What kind of fucking white girl social media manager who used to work at a local coffee shop does Red Robin have working for them? We were just in Red Robin, and I just want to say that one of the saddest things to me is when people who enjoy sports say "we" in regards to their favorite sports team. Meme idea: when you're all roided out and you're at a restaurant about to receive protein and you're waiting. Welcome to Best Buy. Let's see what kind of buys we can find. The best. Wow.
Hey guys, it's Gear Nerd 733. That's Gear and 33 eared. We're gonna do an unboxing video today.
I'm the quirky gear guy. Between the Parademons is my favorite band.
We're unboxing the Canon EFS 1018 millimeter.
Check out this toe crack.
Hey man, slap that bitch on the camera. Let's get some first looks.
Let me get your feet.
Yeah.
Just for fun. Hey Dad, I'm home.
Hi, welcome.
They will bring pain you can't take away. Make me whole again.
Fuck yeah, babe. Get the shots, okay? Get the shots.
Lisa, Brian, Lisa, John, Lisa, Jared, me.
You guys, I like having sex with men.
Who?
Men.
Really physically loose when I'm acting.